Stormy, I'm just going to tell you like this. What happens to cats that tear up curtains and things like that, or shred couches like you did mine, there is an organization called the Kitty Patrol, and they're kitty cops. And they come and they literally, yeah, they come and arrest you. Do you understand? That's not what I want for you. Do you understand me, Stormy? Yeah, I know it's crazy. But they will take your ass to a kennel in a jail. Yeah, no, it ain't over there, honey. I'm telling you, you keep destroying my couch, ripping up my leather sectional, and your ass is going in. Now, I'm tired of telling you, you've got it made. You don't pay no bills. Okay? You know, they ain't here yet, but they will be. Do you understand me? Yeah, get up and stretch. But look at me when I'm talking to you. Oh, now you want to be all... You've got to stop what you're doing. You've got to slow down. Do you understand me? Good.